Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Remarkable tips to keep your house clean every day. Keeping your home tidy might seem like an impossible task, but it doesn't have to be. We put together some of the best tips so you and your family can learn how to keep a house clean every day. Tip number 1. Put everything away after use. This might seem like an obvious tip, but failing to put away your belongings is the main culprit of untidiness. As you move from one room to another, do a quick scan to see if there's anything that you can take with you. Go out of your way to make sure that anything you wear, use or move ends up where it belongs. It's easy to leave a pair of shoes near the front door, a few shirts on your bed and some dishes in the sink until tomorrow. Remember, those tiny piles can quickly turn into big messes. Tip number 2. Do one room at a time. The easiest way to keep your entire house clean is to tackle one room at a time. By splitting up the cleaning by room every day, you can accomplish a little bit at a time instead of tackling every task at once. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Tip number 3. Stick to a schedule. It's one thing to give each room a thorough clean, but how do you make sure your house stays clutter-free every day of the week? Believe it or not, easily, a cleaning schedule. Create a list to keep on your fridge, your wall or your desk to help keep you and your household organized. Your schedule should include not just what needs to be done, but when it needs to be done. By splitting your small household tasks into daily, weekly and even monthly routines, you can keep your house in perfect shape year-round. Tip number 4. Believe in a power clean. Nobody likes to go to sleep knowing their house is a mess. By spending 10-15 minutes on a nightly power cleanup, you can prevent piles of clutter from forming in your home. If you can involve your family members, the more the merrier. Put on a timer, have some fun with it and focus on your top cleaning priorities. Focus on the items that pose the biggest mess, whether it's your kitchen, kids' bedroom or foyer, first. Then chip away at the areas that see the most traffic. Figuring out how to keep a house clean may seem like one of life's many mysteries. With a little time and effort, you can easily create great cleaning habits to keep your nest tidy year-round. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out how you can do inexpensive ways to clean your toilet. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.